Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my bedroom right now because I wanted to bring a different video on here. I wanted to talk about some sewing patterns wanting to buy, but I haven't bought yet. These are patterns that I have been eyeballing for like 8 months and I still haven't bought them. It's only 4 sewing patterns, but I want them so bad. I just can't bring myself to buy them. I think I'm going to buy one. The first pattern that I've been wanting to buy, I fell in love with it the minute I saw the pictures, the minute I saw the makes, is by Deer and Doe, not Joe, Deer and Doe sewing patterns, and they are called the Chataigne shorts.
Have any of you tried the Chataigne shorts? Chataigne? Is it Chataigne? 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 I don't know.
The shorts I haven't bought yet because I'm afraid. I'm afraid of, purchasing them, being super excited about them, and then realizing that it didn't go with my figure, or I have to tweak it a lot, or it just becomes a headache. So I feel like I'm still too new. Yes, that's more. I feel like I'm still too new to purchase that pattern. Is that crazy? Talk to me, people. Talk to me. All right. But they're really, really cute. If anybody out there has made these, let me know. You know what I mean? Do a review. Let me know if maybe I'll just get them and do a review for you guys. I'm not sure, So, the next one that I want to get is from Seamwork. But it's the Seamwork Astoria. Like, the name of it is Astoria. There's 2 reasons why I don't get this pattern. If you guys, like, from the picture, you guys can see that it's similar to the toaster sweater. Maybe it's just because I made mine in blue, but even when I see it, like, I could just tweak the toaster, or I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it's too similar to other patterns that I have, and I can just tweak the other patterns and get a similar result, but I don't know.
See, now I went from like not being confident at all to like overly confident. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know, but it looks so cute. It looks like you can wear it with anything. And I wear leggings, I wear high-waisted leggings to go to the gym, and this looks like a really, really cute, fun, like, crop top sweater to go work out in. It looks super, super cute, super easy and fun, and another reason why I haven't bought this one is because it does not come in the printed form. I don't own a printer. You know what I mean? I don't know. I really, really want this one though. I really, really love this. Like, I love how they paired it. I love like how you can use like warmer fabrics, and it's perfect for fall. You know what I mean? Like, it's super, super cute. Moving on. The next one is a dress, and there's not a lot of dresses that go with my figure. Like this one,
it's cute, but I don't feel like it goes with my figure. I don't feel like it hugs me in the right areas. Like I said, I feel like a little tamale, a nice overly stuffed tamale in the middle.
The tilly and the buttons, and it's the Betine dress. It is a bestseller, and I really, really like it. It's super cute. I feel like it's more for my figure, it's more for like the square shaped figure, because it, like, you can see that the elastic band is kind of high-waisted, and I have a high waist. Like, right here is my waist. Right here is my waist. You know what I mean? and a lot of them kind of move your waist a little bit down. And I'm short, I'm 5 feet, it looks right about my alley. But the reason why I have not bought this dress is again for fear. I'm afraid that if I purchase it, it's not gonna look cute on me. I'm gonna make it and I'm never gonna wear it out. And I don't know, you know, I guess that's the downfall when it comes to sewing your own. We'll see. We will see what happens.
The last one that I am probably gonna get, like, literally this week. I think I'm finally gonna break down and get it because it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. So cute.
Joni Jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is like everything that I want in an outfit. It's one piece. It's tie at the back. And it's so like chic. How the back swoops and how you can tie it is super, super cute and unique and different and open. And how like tight it is in the middle, and you know, it's just, and how loose it goes throughout your leg. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, it's just, it's advanced beginner for knit fabrics. And I'm not even afraid of this one. Like,
You know, like, the Joni Jumpsuit is designed for knit fabrics. It features tank straps that tie in the back, making them adjustable. The neckline comes to a slight V. The bodice is lined and features a back zipper. The wide pant leg are fitted at the hips and have optional patch pockets. Dude, that's awesome. I didn't even know that. The pattern can easily be modified to match any inseam or shortened to shorts. I need this
because I've been looking for like another romper pattern, and they have a shorts option. I think I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Screw it. I'm totally gonna buy it. I'm buying it. All right, it's completing my order. I totally just bought the Joni Jumpsuit. I am so excited for this.
I am so excited. I just got the email. I totally just bought it. You guys don't understand how I'm excited for this now. I just want to go and buy fabric now. Does anybody else do that? Because I do that. Every time I buy something, a pattern, I'm just like, I gotta go buy it. Like 3 fabrics for it.
You know what? This is going to be the next episode. Sew It Till It's Right. Episode 3, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to the store and to see what kind of fabrics I can get. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys have a really, really good day, a happy week, a happy month, happy Thanksgiving this month. I'm definitely gonna be posting like a couple more videos this month, and then we'll see. Thank you again for subscribing. Thank you again for viewing my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to just hear me ramble about things that I want to buy. Let me know. Talk to me. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys have been wanting and urging to purchase. So let me know. You know, talk to me. I'm here. You know, he's here. Say hi, Aden. Hi. Yeah. So yeah. Well, yeah. Thank you guys again.